CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE, Unit 5, Vector Integration, Lesson 6, Problem 13, Evaluate integral over S f bar dot n bar ds, where f bar is equal to 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar, and S is the closed surface of the region in the first octant bounded by the cylinder y square plus z square is equal to 9, and the planes x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Solution: given closed surface S is divided into 5 open surfaces, that is S1, the rectangular face, OA, EB in XY plane. S2, the rectangular face OADC in XZ plane. S3, the circular quadrant OBC in YZ plane. S4, the circular quadrant AED. S5, the curved surface BCDE of the cylinder in the first octant. So S1 is rectangular surface OAEB. OAEB, this is S1 in XY plane. S2 is OADC in XZ plane. S3 is OBC, circular quadrant in YZ plane. S4 is AED, circular quadrant. S5 is BCDE, curved surface. BCDE, curved surface. So, integral over S, F bar dot, N bar ds is equal to integral over S1, F bar dot, N bar ds plus integral over S2, F bar dot, N bar ds plus integral over S3, F bar dot, N bar ds integral over S4, F bar dot, N bar ds integral over S5, F bar dot, N bar ds. Given F bar is equal to 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar. Consider S1 in xy plane z is equal to 0, n bar is minus k bar, n bar is minus k bar, ds is equal to dx dy, f bar dot n bar is equal to 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar dot n bar is minus k bar. I bar dot k bar 0, j bar dot k bar 0, k bar dot k bar 1, but here minus a sign is there, minus 4x z square is equal to 0, here z is equal to 0. So, integral over S1 f bar dot n bar ds is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Consider S2 consider S2 in xz plane y0 n bar is minus j bar, ds is dx dz, f bar dot n bar is equal to 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar dot n bar means minus j bar. So I bar dot j bar 0, j bar dot j bar 1, minus minus plus y square, k bar dot j bar 0, but y is 0 here. So is equal to 0, since y is equal to 0. So integral over S2 f bar dot n bar ds is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Consider S3 in YZ plane. X is equal to 0. Your n bar is minus I bar. Your n bar is minus I bar. ds is dy dz. F bar dot n bar. F bar dot n bar 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar dot minus I bar. N bar is minus I bar. I bar dot I bar 1, so minus 2x square y. J bar dot I bar 0, K bar dot I bar 0. Here x 0 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Consider S4. Consider S4. Here from YZ plane, this S4 is of distance x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So YZ plane. So your n bar is plus I bar. ds is equal to dy dz. F bar dot n bar is equal to 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar dot I bar. I bar dot I bar is 1, j bar dot I bar is 0, k bar dot I bar is 0. So we get 2x square y. But x is equal to here 2 into 2 square y. So 8y. Integral over S4 f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral f bar dot n bar value 8y, ds is dy dz, yz plane, dy dz is equal to integral what is our y square plus z square is equal to 9. So from this y value, y square is equal to 9 minus z square, y value root of 9 minus z square, take plus only, this is first octant, y value root of 9 minus z square. So z is equal, put y is equal to, z is equal to 0. No, y limits are there. We have to write z is equal to 0. What is our, put y is equal to 0, z square is equal to 9, z is equal to plus or minus root 9, plus or minus 3. You take only positive. So z limits 0 to 3, y limits 0 to root over 9 minus z square, 8y, first with respect to y, next with respect to z. Is equal to integral 0 to 3, 8, integral y square by 2, 0 to root over 9 minus z square dz is equal to integral 0 to 3, 2 cancel here, 4 times 4, instead of y you write root over 9 minus z square whole square, lower limit 0 is equal to 0 to 3, 4, square root cancel, 9 minus z square dz, 4 you common it, into 0 to 3, 9 minus z square dz, 4 integral 9 dz, 9z minus z cube by 3, 0 to 3. This is equal to 4 into upper limit 9 into 3, 27 minus 3 cube, 27 by 3, 9 is equal to lower limit 0 is equal to 4 into 18, 72. Consider S5 curved surface BCDE, curved surface BCDE. Phi is equal to y square plus z square minus 9. We have to calculate unit normal vector. That's why you take phi is equal to y square plus z square is equal to 9. This side becomes minus 9. Del phi definition: I bar dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z is equal to phi derivative, partial derivative of phi with respect to x. There is no x here. 0. J bar with respect to y square derivative 2y, z square derivative 0, 9 derivative 0. K bar into with respect to z, y square derivative 0, z square derivative 2z, 9 derivative 0, 2y j bar plus 2z k bar. Unit normal vector n bar is equal to del phi by mod del phi. Already we know this definition. 2y j bar plus 2z k bar by root over 4y square plus 4z square. J bar coefficient whole square plus k bar coefficient whole square is equal to 2y j bar plus 2z k bar. Common 4. We get 2 root of y square plus z square. 2 cancel. Yj bar plus zk bar by root. What is y square plus z square? 9. So this is nothing but yj bar plus zk bar by 3. Now f bar dot n bar. F bar dot n bar. What is f bar? 2x square your f bar is 2x square y 2x square y I bar minus y square j bar plus 4x z square k bar dot n bar yj bar plus zk bar by 3. This is equal to I bar there is I bar 0, j bar coefficients multiplying minus y square multiply k bar coefficients 4x z square into z. This is y square into y cube, this is z cube by 3 minus y cube plus 4x z cube by 3. This is f bar dot n bar. So what is n bar? N bar is there, okay. Let R be the projection of curved surface BCDE on xy plane. Your ds is dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar. N bar dot k bar is equal to yj bar plus zk bar by 3 dot k bar. So j bar dot k bar 0, k bar dot z by 3 mod n bar dot k bar is equal to z by 3 integral over S5 f bar dot n bar ds is equal to double integral minus y cube plus 4xz cube by 3 f bar dot n bar value, ds value dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar, that is z by 3. 3 cancel. Double integral minus y cube by z plus 4xz square, 4xz square dy dx, y square plus z square is equal to 9. Parametric equations are y is equal to 3 sin theta, z is equal to 3 cos theta, dy is equal to 3 cos theta d theta. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. First octant, x limits are 0 to 2 are given in the problem. Therefore, integral over S5 f bar dot n bar ds is equal to substituting these values in above, we get integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 minus 27 sin cube theta by 3 cos theta plus 4x 9 cos square theta dy 3 cos theta d theta dx. This is equal to integral 0 to 2, integral 0 to pi by 2, 3 cos theta cancel, minus 27 sin cube theta d theta plus 3 into 4, 12 into 9, 108 x integral 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta dx is equal to 0 to 2 minus 27. Use values formula. N is a odd number 3, so n minus 1 2 by 3 into 1 plus 108x 2 by 3 into 1 dx is equal to minus 18 0 to 2 minus 18 dx plus this is 72 integral 0 to 2 x dx is equal to minus 18 integral dx is x 0 to 2 plus 72 integral x is x square by 2 0 to 2 is equal to minus 18 to 2 minus 0 2 72 2 square by 2 4 by 2 lower limit 0 minus 36 plus 144 so 108. Therefore integral over s f bar dot n bar ds is equal to adding it is all over s1 0 over s2 0 over S3 0 over S4 72 plus over S5 108. Finally this is 180